Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging and powering the Superlight. Plug the USB-C cable until the LED is solid, because a full battery prevents interruptions. Next, install Logitech GHUB on your computer and update firmware. This ensures consistent sensor behavior. Remove any plastic from the skates and clear the desk area, then set your baseline DPI. 400 or 800 are common for precise tracking. Once done, you're ready to pair. Make sure the receiver is plugged into a USB port for the first connection. Once the receiver is connected, pair the mouse. Either open GHUB and follow the on-screen pairing flow, or press the small pairing button on the mouse for a direct link. Confirm the connection icon is solid. Then customize settings. Select 1000 Hz polling for lowest latency and set your DPI steps to match your playstyle. Adjust lift-off distance to avoid cursor drift and map any buttons you use frequently. Make sure to save profiles to the dongle so settings follow the mouse between systems. Now you optimize for real use. Test in-game sensitivity using a 1-to-1 eDPI approach, then tweak CPI until your CM per 360 feels right. If the mouse feels scratchy or inconsistent, replace worn skates and gently clean the sensor window with a soft cloth. Dust causes erratic tracking. If you encounter disconnects, reset the Lightspeed dongle, try another USB port, update drivers, and test with a different cable. These steps resolve most connectivity issues and restore stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.